Hello students, welcome to this online biology class. So today we will do NCERT questions and supplementary book questions, okay, which we have done earlier. So we will do revision. Now we have come to the end of this unit, okay. So first question is, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? And the answer is, all living beings do not eat the same kind of food. For example, a cow is a herbivore and eats plants such as grass, vegetables and fruits. But a lion is a carnivore and eats meat of other animals. Okay. In fact, all humans also do not eat same kind of food. Some people like eating vegetarian food and some people like eating non-vegetarian food. Okay, so you all know that even all living beings do not eat same kind of food. Everyone has a different type of food. Like cow is a vegetarian, then she eats plants, vegetables and fruits. Okay, then lion is a non-vegetarian. He eats meat of other animals. Next question number 2. Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. So these are the parts of plants that we eat. You have to read them. Okay, first is carrot. So what is the part of carrot which we eat? Root. Okay. Next is sugarcane. So which is the part of sugarcane that we eat? The part is stem. So these are the parts of plants. Next question is, match the items given in column A that in column B. We have done this too. ये भी हम कर चुके हैं. First is milk, curd, paneer, ghee. Then what is it? They are all animal products. Next is spinach, cauliflower, carrot. What is it? They are vegetables. Lions and tigers, they eat other animals. Herbivores, they eat plants and plant products. Okay. Now, question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the words given. First is, tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Okay. Deer eats only plant products and so is called herbivore. Parrot eats only plant products. The milk that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes and goats, is an animal product. We get sugar from sugarcane. So students, those who eat meat only, they are called carnivore. And those who eat plant products and so, they are called herbivore. Okay. So now students, go to SB1, chapter number 1, food. Where does it come from? See concept time 1, food variety. So now we will learn about the types of food. Okay, what kind of food is available in different places in India. So let's start. People in different parts of India eat variety of food items. These food items are made of different ingredients. Ingredients are substances that we combine to make a food item. Okay. तो इससे हमें क्या पता लगता है कि इंडिया में डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में रहने वाले लोग अलग अलग तरह का भोजन खाते हैं और ये भोजन होता है, जो उनका फूड होता है, वो उनमें अलग अलग इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं. ओके. और इंग्रेडिएंट्स से मिलके क्या बनता है? फूड. इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर सब्सटेंसेस दैट वी कंबाइन टू मेक अ फूड आइटम. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ गो टू SB2 प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन 1. फिल इन द फूड आइटम, द स्टेट where it is a staple diet and its main ingredients in the table below. So there are 3 columns. First is food item, staple dieting and main ingredients. First is idli, sambar and chutney. So where do we get this? In Tamil Nadu, and the ingredients are rice, urad dal, vegetables and salt. Next, makki ki roti and sarson ka saag only we get in Punjab. And the ingredients are corn flour, mustard, butter. So these are the food items. So this is practice question 1. You have to read it well. Okay. Now go to concept time 2. Food variety around the world. People in different parts of the world eat different kinds of food items. This is because of the differences in climate, soil and culture in different regions of the world. So here is two columns. First is country and the next is food item. First is Japan, and what is the food item? Sushi and noodles. Next is China, and the food item is rice, meat. Okay, so what is the reason for eating different food in different places? Because the climate, their soil and culture is different. Okay, so this is concept 2, time 2. Now go to SB3, practice question 2. So these two questions are given, you have to write them and learn. First question is, list 3 reasons why people in different countries eat different foods. Okay, कोई 3 कारण बताओ जिसके कारण अलग अलग कंट्रीज में अलग अलग फूड खाते हैं. So the 3 reasons are, first is climatic conditions. Okay, climatic conditions. Next is culture, or third one is religion. Okay, next question is, explain with an example how the climate of place affect the food choices of people. So how does the climate affect on people's food choices? Can you tell me? Answer is, climate change can disrupt food availability, reduce access to food and affect food quality. Okay, for example, increases in temperature, changes in extreme weather events. So these are the 2 questions. Now go to concept time 3, food materials and sources. Let's read. A source is a place, person or thing from which we can get something. The ingredients that we use come from different sources. Okay, means food that we consume is obtained from 2 sources. What are the 2 sources? Plants and animals. Okay, food obtained from plants like fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses. Okay, and food obtained from animals like eggs, meat, milk, beef, fish, etc. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि plants and animals are the main source of food for all the organisms on earth. Okay, now students, go to SB4, practice question 3. So you have to do these 2 questions yourself because I have already done this to you. Okay, and I also explained it to you. तो आपने ये 2 क्वेश्चन जो हैं इनको सॉल्व करना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट go to SB5, practice question 4. First question is, list 5 food items that we get from plants. Next is, list 4 food items that we get from animals. Categorize the following ingredients based on their source, plants or animals. So you also have to solve these all questions. Just now I told you about plants and animals, right? So students, here you write to which food items we get from plants and which ones we get from animals. Okay, so that's all we have to do today. Whatever questions I have given you, you have to revise it. Okay, bye students, and have a happy learning.